India International Science Festival 2020 upheld its tradition of setting world records. On the opening day of the program, that is on the 22nd December, a Guinness World Record was established when 6,874 students came together on an online platform for simultaneous assembling of sundial kits. The participants of the record-making attempt also included school children from abroad.
हर वर्ष की तरह बड़ी संख्या में हमारे विद्यार्थी इंडिया इंटरनेशनल साइंस फेस्टिवल में तरह तरह के एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करते हैं और उन एक्सपेरिमेंट्स में पार्टिसिपेशन के आधार पर भारत का नाम गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड में दर्ज कराते हैं। आज भी पहले दिन 6,874 विद्यार्थी हिंदुस्तान के 189 स्कूलों के उन्होंने ये एक सनडायल प्रोग्राम जो कि आपने अभी देखा, इसको एक साथ उन्होंने किया।
In view of the current pandemic, IISF also highlighted safe practices pertaining to COVID-19 by including them in world record attempts. Therefore, on 23rd of December, hand washing activity was organized in which 10,288 school children participated simultaneously and spread the message of safer you for a safer world, and this effort was counted as a Guinness World Record.
Today, I and my friends came here from our school to make a world record for the most number of people washing their hands simultaneously. Some students came here while others were doing online. So we made a world record, and I am very happy we did it.
And I enjoyed a lot. I got this great opportunity to be a part of the Guinness World Record book, and I was able to meet some great people. This activity which is held in here is a good opportunity for the students to learn the correct way of washing hands, and so that they can tell to their family members, their friends.
On 24th December, another world record was established when a large number of students joined online and participated in the protective mask wearing activity. A total of 11,782 participants registered for this activity from India and abroad.
I am attending this event with my daughter Kashfi Sardana, who is there in the competition of wearing mask. Students are getting aware to know the importance of wearing mask during this pandemic. So I am very thankful for IISF.
It is a wonderful opportunity for our students because they are being a part of an event where they'll be demonstrating, they have already demonstrated rather, that how to wear a mask properly, which is the need of the hour as far as the coronavirus is concerned, and it's a pandemic that has covered the entire world.
On the last day of the festival, that is on the 25th of December, fourth world record was established at the festival when the largest ever participants representing 12 countries including India attended a nutrition lesson live stream on a bespoke platform. During the nutrition lesson, American doctor Dr. Bharti Kochar and Dr. Srinivas K. Rao explained to the youngsters the importance of nutrition, its need, and the ill effects of malnutrition. In addition to the activity-based world records, the festival also made another world record by registering the largest ever attendance for a virtual science conference during a single week. That is from the 20th to the 25th of December. Attendance generated in all the events related to the festival, including its pre-events, was considered for this record.
Overall, I can say that after 41 different events, 5 Guinness Book of World Records, more than 100,000 people joining us, we can say that this has been one of the most successful science outreach events that has ever been held in the world till today.
The activities chosen by India International Science Festival to establish world records always generates a lot of interest and enthusiasm among students, as they are simple, meaningful, and deliver the right message to popularize science, which is also the objective of this festival.